Hello guys, in this lesson I will show you how to use the network editor in Houdini. So here you see I have three nodes. This is the box object, this is the torus, and this is the character. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out by holding the right mouse button to zoom in, zoom out, and if you hold the middle mouse you can move the camera, or you can zoom in and zoom out using the scroll mouse button. Okay, so here you see this blue color. This is the display icon. I can show the box in the viewport, or I can hide it by clicking here. And this green color, if I clicked on that, so now I cannot select the box in the viewport. Okay, I will click on that again. Okay, and if you hover the mouse over the node, you see here I have the ring node. This is the display icon. This is the same as this one, so if I clicked on that, now I am hiding the object in the viewport. And again I will hover the mouse over the node and I will click again to show the object in the viewport. And this is the selectable icon. This is the same as this one. If I clicked on that, now I cannot select the box in the viewport. Okay, and if you clicked here, you see more information about this node. Okay, I will close this window, and if you hit C on the keyboard, now you are showing the color palette. You can color any node with any color you want. So for example, if I selected the box, I can color it red, this one yellow, and this one green. Okay, you can group the nodes. For example, if I selected these two nodes and I come here and clicked on the create network box, so now I am grouping the nodes with a box network. Okay, of course you can select the box network and click on any color to color that. Okay, and here you can click on this icon to create a sticky node. So for example, if I double click here, I can set a node here. Okay, so for example, I will type Houdini, and you can color the node too with any color you want. Okay, and you can select any node, and if you hold space and G, you are framing the node. Okay, I will select this one and hold space and G to frame the node. I will hit C on the keyboard to hide the color palette, and if I come here and click here, now I am showing the shape palette. So now for example, I will select the torus and I will click somewhere here to change the shape of the node. Okay, you can choose any shape you want. Okay, so that's it for this lesson guys, and I will see you in the next lesson.